Namaskar. Did you know that India alone consumes thousands of crore worth of mouth fresheners every year? Sprays, gums, mint, and flavored soap. And yet, billions of people still struggle with bad breath every single day. Why? Because most people are trying to cover the problem, not correct it. If your brushing, flossing, and dental care are proper, but mouth odor still returns, then this is not an oral hygiene issue. The problem is coming from inside the body. In Ayurveda, mouth is simply the mirror of your digestion. If the fire inside is weak, toxins or armor begins to rise, and no amount of mouthwash can mask that. So today, instead of masking the smell, let us address the root cause. I will share 7 simple, powerful natural remedies that work from the inside out. So freshness becomes natural, lasting, and effortless. Remedy 1: Oil pulling. Oil pulling is yet a very gentle and powerful cleansing practice for the mouth. Take 1 tablespoon of sesame oil or coconut oil, gently swish it in the mouth for 5 to 10 minutes. Follow these 2 essential rules. First, do not swallow the oil as it is saturated with the toxins you are removing. Second, spit the oil into a bin rather than in sink to avoid clogging the pipes. Rinse with warm water afterwards to leave the gums healthy and the breath neutral. Remedy 2: Tongue cleaning. Oral hygiene is incomplete without tongue cleaning. Every morning before brushing, use a copper or stainless steel scraper to gently clean the tongue from back to front 5 to 7 times. This daily practice removes the bacterial coating that causes bad breath, preventing toxic accumulation while significantly improving taste and digestion. Remedy 3: Gum and under tongue massage. Once the tongue is clean, complete the process by gently massaging your gum and the soft tissue under the tongue with your clean index finger. These are hidden pockets where toxins often settles. A gentle massage improves circulation and detoxifies the mouth naturally. It freshens areas of the mouth that a toothbrush can't reach. Remedy 4: Warm water in the morning. Begin your day with 1 or 2 glasses of warm water. Take it slowly. Warm water gently awakens the digestive fire or agni. It helps flush out toxins, reduce dryness of the mouth, and supports natural cleansing. Simple habits practice daily create deep and lasting things. As we move ahead, you will notice that digestion improves best when supported throughout the day, not only in the morning. Remedy 5: Breathing practices. One important factor that is often ignored is stress. When the mind remains constantly disturbed, saliva reduces and the mouth becomes dry. In such a state, bacteria multiply more easily. Daily practice of Anulom Vilom calms the nervous system and restores natural moisture in the mouth. A calm mind supports a clean body. Remedy 6: Triphala for internal hygiene. When mouth odor becomes chronic, internal cleansing becomes important. Take Triphala with warm water at night. It supports regular elimination so that toxins do not rise upwards. When the intestinal tract is clean, the breath becomes naturally fresh. Remedy 7: Fennel and cumin after meals. After meals, chew half teaspoon of fennel seeds or light roasted fennel and cumin. This is more than a natural breath freshener. It ignites digestion and reduces the gas and acidity that cause odors to rise from stomach. This practice turns a simple seed into a powerful internal medicine. Foods to be mindful of to support lasting freshness. We do not necessarily need to be strict with ourselves, but rather to eat with awareness. It is helpful to reduce excessively spicy, oily, or fried food that overheats the digestive fire. However, we can also use the principle of pairing to maintain balance. If you consume onion or garlic, pair them with parsley or cilantro. Their chlorophyll acts as a natural breath purifier. If you enjoy tea or coffee, balance their drying effect by adding a pinch of cardamom and drink a glass of water to keep your saliva flowing. If you have a heavy meal, ensure it is seasoned with ginger or cumin to help the body process it before it creates toxin. Remember, food taken in the right manner and the right combination becomes a medicine. So, when should one seek the guidance? If mouth odor continues despite this sincere lifestyle correction, please consult the physician or dentist. This ensures to rule out specific dental issues, gastric conditions, or systemic imbalance. Natural practices are powerful support, but awareness and timely professional guidance are equally important in self-care. Mouth odor is not a personal failure or a reason for shame. It is a signal, a conversation your body is trying to have with you. When your digestion is clean, your elimination is regular, and your mind is calm, freshness expresses itself naturally. Health is not created by masking symptoms, but by living in harmony with your internal rhythm. Fresh breath does not begin in the mouth, it arises from the state of balance within. Namaskar.